Good morning, Philippines!
Maayong aga sa lahat. Maayong aga. Today is, ano ngayong araw? 7 o'clock na guys. Luto tayo ng itlog. Ano na? Ngayon is, ano ba today? Friday ngayon. And, ano lang tayo ng bread. Diba, andito si Tami. Alis yan. I think meron na siyang coffee. Aalis siya, trabaho. Pasensya na guys, hilo yung mukha ko. Oh, meron siyang trabaho. So ngayon, i-flip natin itong egg. Let's see. Wala, somebody's roaming around like crazy now. Little boy. Ito, gusto niya taming egg. Ito naman yung bread. Okay lang. Plano ko pumuntang Walmart. I think ngayong araw yun. Ngayong araw ako pupunta doon. Hindi ko sure. Pero pupunta akong Walmart. Kasi meron akong bibilhin eh. Meron akong dapat. Gusto kong bumili ng jeans. Alam nyo naman. Sabi ko kay Tami, bilhin niya ako ng GoPro. Para pang Christmas. Kasi kapag bumili yan, hindi ko talaga magustuhan yung mga binibili niya. Han, I hit 5 bread because it is smaller. Huh?
Okay. Well, you going to Walmart? You can get there.
I still have egg.
Well, the Hanover has a big pack, right?
Na?
The Hanover has a big 18 pack.
Is that 18?
Family.
$4, right? This one is $4. It's small. It's small.
Yeah.
Okay, put something in your thing.
You want sugar in here?
Not yet. I'll do it myself.
Excuse me.
Because I want you to do here. Look. While it's hot, you put a thingy. Ang aga ni Tami gumising. He woke up early and then printing. You did print already. Oh, scan all the papers and then he feed the kids. It's so early. Okay, your little boy is here. What the heck, guys? What did you give to the boy? The boy?
Yeah. Turkey, ham, and food. Maybe I'll do it in a second. My coffee is just coming out.
Did Misty eat her breakfast?
Not enough.
Not enough. So that's what she does all the time now, just that she can get something.
No, it's not gonna do it.
Yung butter na ginagamit ni Tami, guys, is yung Brickstone. Yeah, Brickstones na butter, blue. Masarap siya sa bread. Ito naman yung nila talaga, eh. Yeah.
You don't lose, like your mama's got your bread now. You walk away.
It's okay. I'll come back.
Very well.
Let me get something.
It's had about 3 seconds.
Yeah, halahan, there's no sugar.
I put it there. You said you'd do it, so.
I thought you did.
No, because I offered to do it. You said, no, I'll do it.
No, I thought you did, you know.
That's why I brought it over here close to you.
Naoy ba? Naoy, soy. Hawaiian bread. They have advertised on TV, guys, already. This grandpa and her grandkid on the chair. Grabbing, like, and then suddenly the kids, the father of the kids pick up the bread. One bread left. They're fighting for it. Maybe we can buy this for rolls for dinner Christmas. This is what Andrea did. That's why I know about this bread, because of Andrea had this for dinner roll. You want to go out with Dada? Do you want to go out with Dada? Dada's out there. And you're in here. Yes, it is. I will be right back. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Dada's out there. Dada, bye-bye. Tingnan niyo to. Ang ginaw, guys. Grabe. Grabe yung ginaw sa labas. Hindi magkaya ng power. Yung lips ko sobrang crack. So the whole time talaga, last night, this morning, ginaganon-ganon ko siya palagi kasi yung nilalagyan ko ng chopstick kasi Sobrang dry. Pati dito sa gilid, mga gilid-gilid dito, nagda-dry. Iwan ko talaga dito. Dito din kasi yung ilong ko palagi kong nagsisikma-sikma ako dahil sa iwan ko. Sa weather, ito yung sipon ko. Yun na. Here all the toast.
What? Ices?
Where are you gonna put that?
Well, some of it comes back in his house, but right now, I can't, like, drop some stuff, so I'm going to park it.
Daming gamit! Toast everywhere, toast over here, toast up there, toast down there, toast everywhere!
Shut it off or shut off to the fall?
Just shut up, let's go. Mag-ready lang tayo ng mga pagkain niya, Day. Kasi ang dami niyang pagkain, Day. Kasi weekend.
Only the cold cuts that are in the orange bag. The rest of them are for these friggin' goofy kids.
Yeah, the salad.
Yeah, well, you want to keep a couple of salads?
So this one is only for to bring.
Right.
Who eats salad here?
I said, do you want to keep
Who
a
eats
couple-
salad?
I don't know, if your friends come over, maybe you gotta eat salad.
We like dried fish and there's no friends coming, okay? This juice is here.
Oh, I need one orange and one grapefruit.
This one? How about that? This is for the house here. Do you have grapefruits over there?
I have one grapefruit over there.
Okay. Milk. Ilagay natin yung milk dito. Milky, milky. Iniwan na ako. Nakakasad man. Ay, every time na iwan ako ni Mister, and then titingin ako dito. Sobrang lungkot. Yung lungkot ba na? Oh, God. Ako na naman mag-isa. Ay, buhay nga, no? Hindi tayo mabubuhay. Buhay nga. Anyway, guys. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko is maglinis ako mamaya. Pero ngayon, pahinga muna ako. Mag-reply muna tayo ng mga messages. And magbasa tayo ng mga comments. Yan lang. Hindi ko alam, guys, kung bakit andito siya. Look. Hindi ko alam kung bakit andito siya. Look. Usually, dito siya sa couch. Kaya ditong cover para sa kanya. Pero look, hindi ko alam bakit. What's wrong, love? You sad, huh? Dada left again? Oh, you're sad. You're sad. Are you sad, baby? Iwan ko, guys, parang, ano anyari sa'yo? Why you on the floor, huh? Doon, pagka-cute na lang kayo, doon. Why you're so cute?
Take the first step to better credit. Download the free Credit Karma app now.
Short on money for the holidays, then
You guys confused what kind of dog she is? She's German. Not German Shepherd, but Australian. She is Australian. She's not American. She's Australian. Australian baby. Australian Shepherd. Australian Manawai. Why you're Australian, huh? You should go to Australia. I will put you to Australia, huh? I will ship you over there. Who wants Roxy from Australia? She belong in Australia, not America. Huh? You're Australian Shepherd, Manawai. Hey, are you okay? Okay, let's go. You wanna go out this way? Let's go out this way. Oh, you're okay pala. Oh, you make me nervous. I thought you're not okay. You can stand. You're okay, Manawai, Australia? How about you? You're from the jungle, are you? You're a monkey? You're from the jungle? Yes, you are from the jungle. Jungle, junglaya, jungula. Look, tignan nyo, guys. Jungle, junglaya, jungle. Give me your paw. Good girl. Give me the other paw. No, the other one. Give me your other paw. The other one. No, the other one. Give me your paw. The other one. Ayaw tumingin para magalit. Give me your paw. You just burpee.
You're stealing.
Give me your paw. You're a good girl, Manaba. You're a good girl. Give me the other one, please. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Give me the other one. Good girl, no. Good girl, Mana. Give me the other one. Okay. Good girl. Yay. Give me the other paw. Give me other paw. Come here. Give mama. Give me mama po. Oh my God. Another shooting na naman. Daming shooting na nangyayari sa bundo. Dito sa Amerika. Oh, ito yung sa New Jersey, I think.
The next morning.
Good morning, guys. I'm watching Laura DIY. Laura ba yun? Yeah, nasa TV na siya sa Channel 2. Every Saturday. Not every Saturday. Well, actually, every Saturday. Andun siya sa TV. Laura DIY. Hi, guys. Good morning. Today po, guys, it's Saturday. And it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Bagong ligo tayo. And then, aalis tayo kahit sobrang maulan-ulan. 45 yung temperature ngayon. And so, kahit maulan, hindi yon icy yung daan. Hindi. So, okay lang yun. Alis tayo. Kailangan kong bumili ng pagkain ng aso. At, guys, plano ko rin bibili ng mga jeans kasi gustong-gusto ko yung jeans na ito, yung ganito, yung high-waisted na jeans. Gusto ko talaga to. Ito siya. Gusto ko talaga tong mga ganito. And naghanap ako kahit ano ibang color. Yun, iba-ibang color. And yun, sana meron sila. Dalawa yung Walmart dito. Actually, dalawa sila. So, punta ako sa isa. Parang mas marami silang mga choices kaysa isang Walmart na palagi kong pinupuntahan. Ano ba yung suotin ko? Ito siya kasi maulan. Meron tayong... Gano'n naman tayo, guys, kapag coat, public balik. May ibabang coat. Public balik naman talaga. Kung meron kang tatlo, yun na lang talaga. Hindi naman pwedeng madaming coat. Hindi naman palagi winter. Yun. Hindi naman nagwi-winter palagi. Hinaghintay din ako ng tawag ni Tami kasi iwan ko kung anong oras siya alis doon sa isang bahay. Ang dumi ng sasakyan ko. Sabi pa ni Tami, punta tayo sa ano, sa ano daw, yung tawag nito yung car wash. Sabi ko, wag na. That was yung sa last vlog na parang nagkumakain-kain kami doon sa ano, parking lot ng Burger King. Parang date lugar, ganun. Sabi ko, wag na kasi ano, late na, guys. Ay, andito pa pala yung ano ko, basura ko dito. Kaloka, itapon ko muna pala ito. Yung sa ano namin ni Tami, yung sauce na buffalo, andito pa pala. Gustong gusto ko to talaga, guys, as in itong buffalo na ano, na buffalo sauce from Burger King. As in gusto ko siya. And tapon lang muna ako ng basura. For the glory of love. Nilagay ko kayo dito. 2 bisis na kayo nahulog. Iwan ko kung anong nangyari sa suction cup ko. Ito siya. Suction cup. Ang ganda ng sounds. I-off natin to kasi ang copyright, grabe. Kahit yung TV ano, grabe. But anyway, ito yun siya, guys. Iwan ko kung anong nangyari nito. Hindi ko talaga alam. Basta 2 bisis kayo nahulog. Munti ka na. Buti na lang hindi talaga kayo na-drop. Nag-roller. Anyway, so ito siya. Yung bahay namin. Yun yung bahay namin, look. Anyway. So, I will see you later, guys. Kasi hindi ko kayo malagay dito sa window. Daming tao ngayon dito, guys. Traffic dito sa tindahan. Ang daming tao dito. Iwan ko na lang. Maganda also bumili ng mga tika muna. Thank you. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Daming tao. Thank you. Ito, kunin. And also, yung mga pagkain ng pusa. Hanap tayo ng mga pagkain. Ito guys, hanap tayo. Nawala man yung pagkain ng mga pusa dito. Yung to. Wala sila. Ay, ito ba? Ay, hindi ito. Lagay ko nga kayo dyan. Mahirap kapag hindi tayo mataas kasi ang taas ng mga paninda. Ay, kailangan kong bumili ng cat litter din. Wala kasi sila. Hanapin natin. Ang daming tao guys. Grabe. Ang daming tao ngayon. Ito yung binili ko. Chicken rotisserie leather. Chayote din. Yan. Ito lang yung jeans na binili ko, dalawa. At saka ito kay Tami. Regalo ko to sa kanya. Gutom na nga ako. Hindi ko pa makita yung sasakyan ko. Ginoo ko. Ginoo. Ang hirap kapag ganito eh. Yung gutom ba? Anyway guys, so I get out from that ridiculousness. I get out from that messy place. It's a lot of people. Ang daming tao. As in, ang daming tao talaga. Iwan ko na lang. And alam nyo, paglabas ko, gutom pa naman ako. Kumain ako ng candy, hindi kinaya yung isang candy. Saan itong ano? Dito ba yung lights? Dito talaga. Hala, ang traffic guys. Hindi ko makalabas dito guys. At saka pagkatapos yan, hindi ko makikita talaga yung car ko. Palibot-libot ako guys. Hindi ko na naano kung saan yung sasakyan ko talaga. Ang daming tao ngayon, hindi ko. I think because it's holiday. Almost Christmas na guys. So yun, ang daming tao. Yung parking lot dito puno. So kaya hinahanap ko talaga yung sasakyan ko. Natatawa na yung tao na nakita ako, palibot-libot ako. I couldn't breathe, thank you for loving me. Grabe tong tao dito guys. So ang nabili ko lang is jeans. Hala, ang daming pulis doon. Jeans at saka pajama ni Tami. Ano, walang top, ano lang sa baba lang. Kasi ano, kasi walang gusto ni Tami doon. Gusto yung zipper lang doon para easy to puririn. So yun siya. And then chicken, dog food, ang dami. And then nahirapan ako sa dog food kasi ang bigat at saka cat litter. Ang bigat, grabe. May nakita akong Pinay doon. Natawa ako sa Pinay kasi sabi pa niya,